Are you ready for today's workout? I am. Let's go. We're gonna start with some good old push-ups, regular push-ups, guys. All the way up, all the way down. Push-ups, guys. Let's go. Push-ups, all the way up, all the way down. Let's go. We got this, pal. Let's take a little quick breather though. Just something fast. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Diamonds. Yeah, that's how we doing it. Here we go. Same thing. Same thing. Oh, yeah, we getting active. Oh, yeah, we getting active. Just do what I do. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow, yes. Money. Money. Let's go. Let's do it again. Money. Yes. Money. If you feel it, you're supposed to. Come on, guys. We got this. Bow. Yeah, that's how you do it. Look, you think we taking a break? Nah, we just letting y'all know what's next. Come on. We got it. Bow. Hold on. Whoa. Yeah. Bow. Huh? Those for the people in the background. Oh, yeah. Those for the people on the side. Yeah, we see you. Bow. Look at that bag. Big bag. Wow. There I go again. Wow. Yeah, we got this. Ooh. Hold on now. Slow and steady wins the race. We got back up. What we doing now? What's next? Focus on that breathing. Get your breathing intact. Ooh, we went down again. Ooh, a little stretch. Bow. All right. This is what we doing. Up. Oh, yeah. Stay with it. More push-ups. You feeling it this time. You feeling it this time. This how you do it. You stretch a little bit when you're trying to get that next set in. Bow. Hit it. We back up. We ain't do that much. Don't worry about the count. The count ain't important. Just focus on your form and your breathing and actually doing it. Do it right. You see me, you see us, we here. I'm here with you. Let's go. Are you ready? Yeah, little shimmy. You seen that? Let's go. More push-ups. Bow. Oh my gosh. Who does this? Bow. Yeah. Slow down, girl. Bow. Is he in the army? What does this guy do? What does he do? Hold on. Another one. Yeah. Feel it. You gotta feel it. Just know I'm focusing on my breathing now. The breathing and focusing on your breathing is very important. Even if you have to do it heavy, you have to adjust. Don't worry about that though. Even if you got, just go focus on your breathing. Doesn't matter, but here we go. We back at it. Yeah. You see the diamonds getting that form together? Focus on your form. Wow. Bow. Burning it, feeling it. Bow. Whoa. Bow. You can do it. We got you. Yeah, look at that. We got you. Just for you. Bow. Focus. Yeah. Eat. Yeah. Eat. Wow. That's how we do that. You ain't gotta do too much. I had to readjust again. You gotta stay proper. This is YouTube. Feel me? We don't want no problems. Yeah, you have to check yourself. Make sure you check yourself a little bit after you work out. See the little bit of results. Ooh, he's going back down. Ooh. Hold on. Bow. We got this. Yeah, what's next? Come on. Focus on that form. Keep that form together. Ooh, bow. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Bow. Ooh, we got this again. Bow. Wow. Ooh. Hold on now. He's feeling it. Okay. What you doing? We getting a little running in. You gotta focus. Get the running, guys. Come on, we here. running in place, do a little jogging in place, just, run it off. You gotta get the muscles loose. So that's what I do. Feel me, just shake it off, do a little run, do a little jog in place to jog it off after the push-ups, after any type of little workout. Just like you end it with that, just a little still getting the blood flowing, still doing a little pop, pop, pop. You feel me? You gotta do that. That's what you do. You see them abs, see that chest moving side to side. That thing don't know how to relax. It don't know how to relax. But that's basically the workout for today, guys. That's basically the workout. We got about 3 more minutes of the workout, but that's basically workout. We don't try to do too much, too crazy. We just focus on what we can do and what we did. So that's what we doing. Yeah, what we doing? More push-ups? Nah. Burpees? Yeah, get down. Let's go. Bow. 1. That's up. Come on. Bow. We getting what? Who said what? Up. Yeah, who said something? Okay, I thought somebody said something. Yeah, we did it. Another one. Yeah, we doing more though. Hold on. Come on, let's go. Up. Bow. What? Burpees. Come on, we got another one. Hold on. More. Oh, he added push-ups with it. Come on, you got this. Pow. Hold on. Who is this man? He's going crazy. Hold on. You can do this too in your house. He's in his room. Home workouts in your room. In your home. Yeah, stay hydrated. Get that water. You need that. Stay hydrated. Get that water. Sip on that water. Sip on it. Ooh, it looks like it tastes good. Is there ice in that water? Or is that regular water? That look good. That look like some good water, man. Yeah, you take that little water break. How long was that break? Oh, you running? Oh, nah. Did you even drink that water, my man? You running again. Yeah, that's how we do. Come on, we got this. Pow. And you running a little faster, okay? All right, you got a little pep in your step. Right now, brother man, trying to give me the tips. I see ya. You working out your room like a pro. Oh, snap. Yes, transition into the jumping jacks. He's going crazy. He is going crazy. We can do this. We got this. Who's doing it with me? Ooh, I hope you are. We got this. Pow. He's knocking them out. Oh my gosh. Wow, bro. How tall are you? How tall is that man? Wow. All right, now, good. He's about as tall as the door. Nah, he's looking like it. It must be the angle. But yeah, he's knocking out them. Oh my gosh, what is that? Jumping jacks? Wow, he's looking like a pro in there. Wow, go ahead, bro. Yeah. Wow. Statue of Liberty ain't got nothing on you, bro. Yeah, oh my gosh, he's running in place again. Wow, it's this simple. What this guy's doing. He's done this. This better not be what he do. He do this and that's it. He better. Wow, he's going a little crazy though. I don't know if I can run like that, but mate. All right, bro. Where you going? Hold up. Oh wow, you coming close. Oh yeah, back on up, bro. I'm trying to see you real quick. Trying to see what you doing over there. You getting closer. Oh, back up, bro. Back up just a. Oh, what's going on? Oh, it's over? Man, that felt good. It was good. Thanks for watching.